Hi, I'm Dr. John Johnson with 1 Minute Closer. Well, I'm standing here today by the Ohio River. This is a place called the Falls of the Ohio. This is the spot where the famous explorers Lewis and Clark began their journey. They met in 1803 in the city of Louisville, which you can sort of see the buildings behind the bridge there of Louisville. It's right across the river, Louisville being over that direction. And they met, and it was at this place that they assembled their team. They recruited 9 young men here who became known as the 9 young men from Kentucky. And those young men became the nucleus of the team that would get them all the way from here to the Pacific Ocean. It was a very long and arduous and difficult journey. It's recounted well in Stephen Ambrose's book called Undaunted Courage, which I highly recommend. Again, Undaunted Courage by Stephen Ambrose. Ambrose talks about how they assembled their team together, how careful they were to pick each person that would get them all the way up the Ohio and then up the Missouri and out across the mountains in the west. It wasn't an easy journey, and they made it because of their team. So I ask you today, who is the team that is going to put you through the finish line on your graduate degree? What team have you selected? Are you working closely with your team members? I remember when I was working on my master's degree, I actually had an assignment to get a group of people together, about 4 or 5 people, that I would give regular updates to about my progress through the master's degree. And I actually highly recommend that you identify the people who are going to help you get through the degree program. Who's going to help babysit the kids? Who's going to help relieve some of your workload? Are there family members that need to be involved? Who will that team be? If you're in a doctorate program, have you taken time to get to know your committee? Have you had some conversations with them? Those committee members are going to be critical and key. Treat them well. They can do more than you know to help you across the finish line. And so, let Lewis and Clark inspire us to move 1 minute closer toward our degrees. And now you're 1 minute closer. If you appreciate my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.